Hi, Harry Dent here with good news for you. I'm running a live online news conference for my subscribers only to share how to take advantage and profit from the upcoming market events. There is a window of opportunity right now to make exponential gains without taking big risks and without the need for large trade. This online event conference is called How to Make Exponential Returns from the Market's Looming Crash Thanks to Options. And I urge you to secure your place. Sean Allison, a highly respected options trader, will be joining me during this online event. Together, we will share strategies on how to profit from market corrections and, of course, the looming market crash ahead. I always speak alongside Sean when I tour Australia and New Zealand, and obviously highly recommend you listen to him. Sean's unique approach allows him to identify winning trades 75% of the time while minimizing the risk. It's simply a set and forget system. You don't have to stay hours or days in the market, only a few hours a week. Needless to say, he's the guy to listen to in today's increasingly volatile market environment. Make sure to secure your place before they're all taken, and I'll see you soon.